Hey there, I'm Alicia, and welcome to Pin Your Purpose. If you're feeling overwhelmed with life or looking for more balance, you've come to the right place. On this channel, I share practical journaling techniques to help you manage stress, find clarity, and discover your purpose. Whether you're new to journaling or looking to deepen your practice, my videos will give you simple, effective ways to take care of your mind and well-being. Every week, I post videos on topics like mindfulness, self-reflection, and personal growth. We'll explore different journaling prompts, creative ideas, and tips that can transform the way you approach your day-to-day life. If you're ready to slow down, reflect, and start living more purposefully, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thanks for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy journaling.